Important vocabulary to know. Ramadan. The ninth month of the Islamic lunar calendar, during which Muslims fast from dawn to sunset as a religious obligation. Fasting. Refraining from eating and drinking for a period of time, often for religious or health reasons. Iftar. The evening meal with which Muslims end their daily Ramadan fast at sunset. Suhoor. The pre-dawn meal eaten before fasting begins at sunrise during Ramadan. Prayer. A solemn request for help or expression of thanks addressed to God, often performed as a form of worship. Community. A group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristic in common. Moon. The natural satellite of the Earth that orbits around it and reflects light from the sun. Blessings. Divine help and protection given by God, often seen as a gift. Quran. The Holy Book of Islam, believed by Muslims to be the Word of God as revealed to Prophet Muhammad. Sunrise. The time in the morning when the sun appears above the horizon. Sunset. The time in the evening when the sun disappears or daylight fades. Lantern. A lamp with a transparent case protecting the flame or electric bulb, often used for decoration or lighting. Tradition. A belief, custom, or way of doing something that has existed for a long time among a particular group of people. Mosque. A place of worship for Muslims. Generosity. The quality of being kind and generous. How to celebrate Ramadan. Ramadan is a special time for Muslims around the world. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn until sunset. Fasting means they don't eat or drink during the daylight hours. At the end of each day, they break their fast with a meal called iftar. Families and friends often get together to share this meal. Sometimes people also donate food to those in need during Ramadan. It is a time for prayer, reflection, and being grateful. Ramadan is a time for showing kindness and helping others in the community. 1. Have you ever celebrated Ramadan before? 2. What are some traditions or customs related to Ramadan in your culture? 3. How do you usually prepare for the month of Ramadan? 4. Do you enjoy participating in community events during Ramadan? 5. What is your favorite part about celebrating Ramadan? 6. Have you ever tried fasting during Ramadan? 7. How do you think Ramadan brings people together? 8. Do you have any special foods or dishes that you eat during Ramadan? 9. What role does spirituality play in your celebration of Ramadan? 10. How do you feel after completing the month of Ramadan?